Guys, I finally put some there's a mosquito in here inside the car. I finally put a triple A battery, and we'll see if it shine. Yes, right. Right there, guys. And then you can twist this side here. See, you can adjust the thing over here, and see, like button, and so if you go tighten up, so you twist right there, keep twisting, then it's more wider, so kind of cool. It's like so when I put new battery. See you later.